Spanish clearance outlet. Let's see what we got. Let's see what's promo looking like in here today. It's a clearance sale, 40% off yellow sticker items. Last time I was in here, it was 50% off yellow sticker items. So it's all buy one, get one 50% off. 990s. Two. Buy one, get one 50% off.
This particular pair right here is one of my favorite sneaker pickups of the year. I mean, from color versatility to comfort. As you can see, I'm wearing them with shorts on this particular day. New Balance socks from the last time I did a review in this clearance outlet. I mean, like I said, the price tag, actually, when I made this pickup, there were an additional 50% off. And since we were still in tax-free season, they were $49 flat. And you can't go wrong with that.
We got the gray here. Wait for, they need to, when they hit these with the sale, I'm gonna grab these too. And this is just the 990. This isn't the 990 V6s. So just a slight difference in midsole, but it's just pretty much the same shoe. It's a Absorb. $9.98. Made in USA for $79.99. With also additional 40% off. That's a great price. All right. Also, it's a nice colorway. And the 1906Rs. $129 with additional 40% off. Got a little light pink colorway.
And the store music is just a little too loud. We're gonna give Bruno Mars a break and just gonna go through the aisles. You guys take a look at the prices and we'll be back in a minute.
Got 990s in black. These don't have a yellow sticker on it, so there's no additional percentage off. They have a pretty small clearance section over here. $59 or $159, so you get additional percentage off on those. $200. You get additional 40% off. So all yellow sticker on clearance, additional 40% off. Like I said, a week before, it was additional 50% off. So came down 10%.
I know. That's what I said.
Not too much to offer in here today. Got a little apparel. Just some plain regular New Balance t-shirts. Nothing too crazy. What's the price on these? $24.99. These are $59.99. All right, y'all. That's about it for today for the New Balance clearance outlet. I didn't really see too much. They came down 10% on the promos and sales, so I'll get up out of here. All right, you too.